Getting ready to do a bunch of work this week. Probably be using my Shopsmith for quite a few of its functions, so I thought it'd be a good time to do some regular maintenance, clean it out, oil up the sheaves. So I've already got some of the screws loose, but the one in the back had stripped, so I needed a wrench to take it off. The one in the front's nice and easy, and I'll just pull the cover here off of the belts. There's a couple ways to get it off, but I like to just use an Allen wrench and take off this little connection to pull that cover off. Once I've got the belts and the sheaves exposed, I raise the speed up so I can get at the sheaves a little better and listen to the sound of it so I can appreciate the sound difference when it's done better. I like to go ahead and blow everything out, clean it out while I'm in there. I've got it unplugged, by the way. Rotate the sheaves till I can get to the little hole for the oil and give it just a couple drops with this nice extended spout bottle from Laco. And then I appreciate how easy it is to go ahead and move my Shopsmith in and out of place so I can get around the back, shine a light on the inside, and pretty easily get to the little spot where the oil goes here. Rotate it around a couple times to work the oil in and blow the whole thing out. It's always surprising how much dust manages to get in here to me. This video is sped up. Maybe it's 3.5 minutes long, but the reality is it only takes about 5 minutes to oil this up, and I always have to remind myself this is so easy. I should really do it probably a little more often. Got it all cleaned out, so now I'm putting the screw back in the little Shopsmith medallion plate to close up the headstock, and I'll put the cover back over the belts. Gotta make sure it's lined up just right. Doesn't really take any force, just got to get it lined up just right. And I went and found a better new screw for the back. And I'll go ahead and put this on the front, get it lined up and tightened in with the get the set screw tightened with the Allen wrench. And I just got to tighten up the screws on the front and the back. And move it back into place. Again, it's so simple and easy to move. Usually I remember to engage the wheels and roll it on its casters, but sometimes I forget. Then I got to remember, as soon as I turn it back on, lower the speed back down so I'm not running it unnecessarily fast. Turn it off so it's ready.